So in this question number 4 from question number 6 exercise 14b. So we have to find here x, y and z. So you can apply that concept of transversals as I told in last video. If you haven't watched introduction video of transversals, first watch that video, then you will be able to understand this question. अगर आपने ट्रांसवर्सल के इंट्रोडक्शन का पार्ट नहीं देखा है तो पहले आप वो पार्ट देखिए, तब आपको ये समझ में आएगा, नहीं तो ये समझ में नहीं आएगा. So in this question, these two lines are parallel to each other, and this one line is acts as a transversal. So 50 degrees on this side and x we are having opposite side. So x will be equals to 50 degree, and the reason is alternate angle. Clear? So this will be 50 degree. Now this y we have to find. Again these two lines are parallel and this line is a transversal. So in this particular scenario, y and 120, these two are interior angles. That means these two are co-interiors, and as I told you, sum of two co-interior angles is equals to 180. So y plus 120 will be equals to 180. So y equals to 180 minus 120. Y equals to how much? 60 degree. So this one is 60 degree. Now in the last we have to find z. As you can see in this question, z is this much portion. If I am taking this whole part, then it will be known as point about angle, and as you know, this total angle will be equals to 360 degree. So here we are having x, y and z. These three are making 360 degree. So x plus y plus z will be equals to 360 degree. Now value of x, as we have calculated, 50 degree, value of y 60 degree, plus z that we have to find, so we will write z equals to 360. Now 50 plus 60 will give you 110 plus z equals to 360. Transpose this value to the right hand side, so z equals to 360 minus 110. So finally z equals to 250 degree. This is your required answer for x, y and z. So in this question we are having unknown angles k, y, z and x. So as you can see here, we are having two parallel lines. This is the first and this is the second. So now this angle is given to you 30 degree, this one is 90 degree. So these lines are parallel. That means if this angle is 90 degree and this will be 90 degree same, and x will be 90 degree as well, as because lines are parallel. So here x equals to 90 degree, lines are parallel. Clear? Now as you can see in this line only, we are having triangle here, this first, second and third point. I am naming it this as P, Q, R. So in triangle P, Q, R, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equals to 180 degree. Angle P is given 30 degree, so write 30 degree. Angle Q that you have to find, and as you can see, angle Q is given to us Z, so I will write this as Z, plus angle R. R is X here, so I will write X equals to 180 degree. So now 30 plus Z plus this x is 90 degree equals to 180 degree. So z 30 plus 90 120. So I am transposing that 120 to the right hand side. So 180 minus 120. So finally z equals to how much? 60 degree. This z is 60 degree. Now as you can see, this y and this z, these are adjacent angles and totally they are making 180 degree. So how you can find y? Angle y plus angle z, these two are adjacent angles of a straight angle, so equals to 180 degree. Z that we have calculated, so y will be same y and z is 60 degree, so it will be like equals to 180 degree. Y equals to transpose this 60 to the right hand side, so 180 minus 60, it will be 120. So we got here y as 120. Here now these two lines are parallel, that means these two angles are alternate. So angle K will be equals to angle Z. The reason is alternate angle. Clear? If Z is 60 degree, that means K is also 60 degree. Clear? Now we have calculated here K, Y, Z, X. Everything we have calculated. So this is your required answer.